Hello, IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on and you've discovered the mysterious P0036 code? Today we're diving deep into the oxygen sensor heater control circuit in Bank 1 Sensor 2. This tiny component plays a huge role in your engine's efficiency and emissions. Stick around as I decode the P0036 error, reveal the exact sensor location, and guide you through the fixes. Plus, I'll suggest 2 must-watch videos at the end to help you troubleshoot related codes. So, what does P0036 mean? The P0036 code indicates an issue with the heater control circuit in the downstream oxygen sensor, specifically Bank 1, Sensor 2. The heater inside the O2 sensor ensures it reaches optimal operating temperature quickly, especially during cold starts. When this circuit malfunctions, the sensor can't work effectively, leading to increased emissions and poor fuel economy. Here are the common symptoms of P0036. The check engine light illuminated, poor fuel efficiency, higher emissions during an inspection. Now, where is this sensor located? For most vehicles, Bank 1 Sensor 2 refers to the downstream oxygen sensor located after the catalytic converter on the exhaust pipe. It's crucial to consult your vehicle's manual to pinpoint its exact position. What causes P0036? A faulty downstream oxygen sensor, a blown fuse or damaged wiring in the heater control circuit, loose or corroded electrical connections, and rarely a malfunctioning ECM. So, how do you diagnose and fix P0036? Here's a step-by-step guide 1. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires leading to the downstream O2 sensor. Repair or replace as necessary. 1. Check the sensor. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance of the heater circuit. If it's out of spec, replace the sensor. 1. Test fuses. Verify the fuse for the O2 sensor heater circuit is blown. Replace if needed. 1. Clear the code and retest. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and test drive the car to ensure the issue is resolved. And that's how you tackle the P0036 error code. Remember, the oxygen sensor may be small, but it has a big impact on performance and emissions. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe to IG Garage, and share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Before you go, check out these related videos. P0030, oxygen sensor heater control circuit, Bank 1 Sensor 1, P0269, cylinder 3 contribution balance fault. Thanks for watching and see you next time on IG Garage.